Let's be honest, girls. We all know about boob tape by now. We have seen it all over Instagram, people using it with backless dresses, deep neckline dresses, off-shoulder dresses. But there is one thing I feel no one really talks about it. How are you actually supposed to apply boob tape with different dresses? Because you can't use it same taping technique with all the outfits. This is where I feel most of us get confused. You have boob tape, you know that it can give you lift and support, but then you're standing in front of the mirror thinking, where exactly do I put it? Which direction should I pull it? How many strips should I use? And how do I make sure it does not sneak peek through my dress? So that is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Khanna, content creator. And if you love fashion, styling, beauty, and a little bit of traveling, you're definitely in the right place. Now, if you're completely new to boob tape, don't worry, I got you covered. I have detailed beginner guide where I have explained what is boob tape, how to apply it, how to remove it safely, and all the basics. So I won't be repeating all these things in this video. Today we are specifically focusing on the part that nobody really talks about. How to apply boob tape depending on your outfit you're wearing. Can girls with heavier bust wear it? What if it does not gives me enough support? And what if your boobs still move even after using boob tape? Don't worry, in today's video I'm answering all your questions. So let's get started. If you're wearing a deep V-neck dress, which is called plunge neckline dresses, start from underneath your breast and pull the tape upwards towards your shoulder. Similarly, do this for the other side, and this creates lift while keeping the center open, and this style is called the complete lift style. This is how it looks. It's perfect for plunging neckline because it gives you the lift and support you need without any bra or tape peeking through the neckline. Now if you're wearing a backless dress, there can be different styles. Maybe it's sleeveless, has proper sleeves, or even come with a deep neckline. In that case, you only need to focus the boob tape on your chest area. You can either apply the tape in a zigzag manner or in a plus sign pattern. Just make sure you're pulling the tape from underneath the breast and applying it over the breast to create that support and lift. Since you can't have the tape showing around the neckline or extending onto your shoulder, this is the safest way to apply it. You can also use multiple strips over the breast area for extra support, security, and lift. For these dresses, placing of boob tape is almost same. Keep the strips horizontally. I would suggest use multiple strips for stronger lift because one strip alone usually isn't enough. Layering the tape gives better support and more natural shape. Avoid placing tape where it may peek through the neckline. And here's the final look. If you're wearing a sleeveless crop top with slightly wider sleeves, you can apply the boob tape horizontally across the bust and then add two vertical strips like this. This creates a bra-like support system, giving you better lift and security while keeping everything in place. And if you're wearing a sleeveless dress with a cowl neckline or a slightly deeper neckline, not a plunging one, you can apply the boob tape in a crisscross pattern like this. This will give your breasts the support they need while keeping the tape completely hidden underneath the neckline. Start by applying a horizontal strip across the lower part of your bust to bring everything together and create a secure base. Then on the other side, where one shoulder is covered by the dress, apply a vertical strip from underneath your breast, pulling it upward toward the covered shoulder. This gives your breast a natural lift while keeping the tape completely hidden. Avoid placing tape towards the exposed shoulder as it may become visible. Boob tape works beautifully under traditional outfits too, whether it's sleeveless, backless blouse, off-shoulder outfits. Instead of struggling with visible bra straps, use boob tape to create lift while keeping your blouse or ethnic outfits neat and elegant. This is one of the questions I get asked the most. Can girls with heavier bust can use the boob tape? The answer is yes. But there are a few things to keep in mind. First, choose wider and large size boob tape. The wider the tape is, the better the support is. Second, use multiple strips instead of using just one. Don't expect boob tape to replace that highly supportive bra. It does provide lift, but it has certain limitations. Boob tape is amazing, but it isn't a magic. If you have a heavy bust or you're wearing an outfit for long hours, boob tape alone may not provide you that enough support, especially if you're dancing or moving around a lot. So what can you do? Here is my favorite trick. If you feel your breast is moving even after applying a boob tape, wear a silicone adhesive strapless bra. Honestly, this little trick makes a huge difference. Before we finish, let's quickly talk about a few mistakes. Skipping nipple covers. It's very important to apply nipple covers before applying boob tape. Applying tape on moisturized skin, that is big no. Don't make that mistake because it will not stick properly and it will come off. Pulling the tape too tightly, never make that mistake. It will going to hurt you. Using too little tape for heavy bust. And these small mistakes can literally make your experience uncomfortable. Always do a patch test before your first use. Practice applying it once before your actual event. Trust me, it becomes much easier after one or two trials. So So that is everything, guys, you need to know before using boob tape. Whether you're wearing western outfits, traditional outfits, backless dresses, deep neck blouses, there is a taping style for every outfit. And if you have a heavier bust, don't worry. With the right technique and little extra support, boob tape can still work beautifully for you. This video helped you? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your girlfriends, because I promise this is something every girl should know. And let me know in the comments below, what should I cover next? Invisible bras, different bra styles for different outfits, or my favorite lingerie hacks. I will see you in the next episode. Bye!